All right, so we have here Coach Paul Hall, who wants to just give some insight into tomorrow's game against Catalonia. Coach Hall, could you tell us what are your expectations and how things are shaping up for tomorrow's game against Catalonia?
Well, the expectations are, I want the players to go out and show me who they are, or show us who they are. A lot of them come in. We've had 1 hour, so we haven't had much time. What we have done is managed to get them into lots of meetings and lots of sessions where they've had to get to know each other and get to know each other really quickly. So that's what I want to see. I want to see them come out, get to know each other as much as possible. Fix it, if they're going to fail, I told them fail fast and fix it fast, and learn fast. So they've got to learn lots about each other, and they've got to make sure that they go forward and just learn from this experience. They're a bunch of strangers that have come together to try and win a game of football against a very good Catalonia team. So we know what the job is on at hand, the extent of the job. And I just believe that the guys have got to go out there and just be themselves and show us who they are.
Okay, have all the players that were called here with you in Catalonia, or have there been some no-shows, for want of a better word?
Well, Rolando wasn't able to come, which was quite disappointing because I wanted to see him play and I wanted to see him get some minutes into his legs because he hasn't really played much first-class minutes. Fraser-Pryce was a little bit late. But that wasn't due to any fault of his own. So he's come here and we've got him at our disposal as well for tomorrow. So yeah, the full 20 have turned up, and hopefully they can all get some minutes tomorrow.
All right, and how is the camaraderie and so forth? As you said, it's some new players, haven't spent much time together, but how have things been going with them?
It's been going well. I thought it was really important to get the camaraderie going. I think that was the most important thing. New players, I've told them what my expectations are. I've asked them to put Jamaica first, and the camaraderie is fantastic. We've just had a concert in here tonight, so everybody got up. Even myself, I got up and started doing something. I don't know what it was, but I started doing it. And it just shows the togetherness of the group, and it's just unbelievable how they can just get together after pretty much only 48 hours of being together and look so close. And I think they'll take some memories back, and that's all I want to do. I want to give people memories that they'll never forget. Unforgettable memories are what this is all about. So hopefully they can give some Jamaicans some unforgettable memories tomorrow night.
Okay, and your final word in terms of what you want to send back to the ReggaeBoyz supporters and everyone back home who are looking forward to this new stage going forward into the next set of CONCACAF competitions?
Well, I posted on Instagram today that growth is a process, and it's not a one-time event. You've got to take your time to find new talent out there, and I've been really aggressive in the market trying to look for people who want to play for Jamaica and who want to put Jamaica first. And I just want everybody to try and see if they can get behind that growth, because this time next year, this time in 3 years' time, 5 years' time, we're going to be in a much better place. But it starts here, and every day that we go is another day to try and grow. And I really do believe in that, and I really want Jamaica to be at the top table again and challenging the greatest teams for honours. And to do that, you need everybody in our diaspora trying to really become Jamaican footballers, boys and girls. And we want to be able to qualify for things and win things consistently. I think if we can do that, then we'll say that we've done a good job.
Thanks a lot, Coach Hall, and all the best.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.